Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hello, automotive enthusiasts. Engine stalls can often be linked to a closed choke valve, disrupting engine performance. In this informative guide, we'll delve into the impact of a closed choke valve on engine stalls. Join us as we explore the role of the choke valve, understand how a closed valve leads to engine stalls, recognize symptoms indicating this issue, and discover effective measures to address and prevent engine stalls caused by a closed choke valve. Engine stalls, closed choke valve explained. Engine stalls can be a frustrating issue for car owners. Whether your engine stalls when cold or as it warms up, the closed choke valve could be the culprit. Understanding the role of the choke valve and how it affects engine performance is crucial in diagnosing and addressing this problem. In this post, we will delve into the workings of the closed choke valve, explore the common symptoms of a malfunctioning choke valve, and discuss potential solutions to resolve engine stalling issues. If you've been experiencing engine stalling, read on to gain insights into this common automotive issue. Understanding the closed choke valve. Before delving into the specifics of how a closed choke valve affects engine performance, it's essential to grasp the purpose and function of a choke valve within a vehicle's engine system. What is a choke valve? A choke valve, often found in carbureted engines, serves the crucial purpose of regulating the air-fuel mixture when starting a cold engine. When the engine is cold, it requires a richer air-fuel mixture to start and run smoothly. The choke valve restricts the flow of air, increasing the fuel concentration to aid in cold starts. How does a closed choke valve affect engine performance? When the choke valve is closed, it restricts the airflow into the engine, leading to a higher concentration of fuel in the air-fuel mixture. This enriched mixture is essential for a cold engine to start and run smoothly, providing the necessary fuel for combustion. However, as the engine warms up, the choke valve gradually opens to allow more air into the engine, resulting in a leaner air-fuel mixture suitable for warm operating conditions. If the choke valve fails to open as the engine warms up, it can lead to an overly rich mixture, causing issues such as engine stalling, rough idling, and decreased fuel efficiency. Therefore, the proper functioning of the choke valve is critical for achieving optimal engine performance, especially during the transition from cold to warm operating temperatures. Symptoms of engine stalling due to closed choke valve. Cold engine stalling. When your engine is cold, a closed choke valve restricts the air supply, which can result in a mixture that's too rich. This can lead to the engine stalling shortly after starting, as the combustion process becomes inefficient. You may notice that the engine sputters and struggles to maintain a steady idle before eventually cutting out. This symptom is a clear indication of a potential issue with the choke valve and warrants investigation. Stalling as the engine warms up. As the engine starts to warm up, the impact of a closed choke valve becomes more apparent. With the choke still closed, the air-fuel mixture may remain too rich, leading to erratic idling and intermittent stalling. The engine may struggle to maintain a consistent RPM and could exhibit signs of hesitation or surging before stalling altogether. This behavior can be frustrating and potentially dangerous, especially in traffic or at intersections. By understanding these specific symptoms, you can identify the potential role of a closed choke valve in causing engine stalling, both when cold and as it warms up. Before continuing, please drop a comment below. A thumbs up if this is hitting the spot, and please share with friends who might benefit from great information like this, and hit that subscribe button for more information like this. Thank you. Now let's continue. Causes of closed choke valve issues. A common cause of engine stalls when cold or warming up is a stuck closed choke valve. This occurs when the choke valve fails to open as the engine warms up, leading to a rich fuel mixture that cannot support efficient combustion. The buildup of fuel prevents the engine from running smoothly, resulting in stalls and rough idling. Choke valve misadjustment. Another potential issue with closed choke valves is misadjustment. When the choke valve is not set to the correct position, it can lead to an overly rich or lean fuel mixture, causing the engine to stall when cold or warming up. Improper adjustment can disrupt the delicate balance needed for optimal engine performance, leading to erratic behavior and stalling. Choke valve malfunction. A malfunctioning choke valve can also contribute to cold or warm-up engine stalls. This can result from mechanical failure or damage, preventing the choke valve from operating correctly. When the valve fails to open or close as needed, it can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, leading to stalling and rough idling. Regular maintenance and inspection of the choke valve are essential to prevent malfunctions that can impact engine performance. Diagnosing closed choke valve problems. Visual inspection. Upon encountering engine stalling issues, it's imperative to conduct a thorough visual inspection of the choke valve. Begin by assessing the physical condition of the valve, ensuring there are no signs of corrosion, damage, or obstructions that could impede its functionality. Additionally, check for any loose connections or misalignments that may affect the choke valve's operation. Testing the choke valve. To further diagnose potential issues with the closed choke valve, a systematic testing approach is essential. Start by confirming that the valve moves freely and without resistance. This can be achieved by manually operating the choke mechanism and observing its response. Subsequently, evaluate the electrical components associated with the choke valve to ascertain proper functionality. Testing for continuity and voltage supply can help pinpoint any underlying electrical malfunctions contributing to stalling problems. In summary, a comprehensive visual inspection and methodical testing of the closed choke valve are critical in diagnosing and addressing engine stalling issues caused by choke valve problems. Fixing closed choke valve issues. A closed choke valve can lead to engine stalling when cold or warming up. It's important to address this issue promptly to ensure the smooth functioning of the engine. Here are a few ways to fix closed choke valve issues. Cleaning the choke valve. Begin by locating the choke valve within the carburetor. Use a carburetor cleaner to spray the choke valve and remove any built-up residue or debris. Gently scrub the choke valve with a small brush to ensure thorough cleaning. Wipe away any excess cleaner and debris with a clean cloth. Reassemble the carburetor and start the engine to see if the issue is resolved. Adjusting the choke valve. Start by identifying the choke valve adjustment screw on the carburetor. Use a screwdriver to turn the adjustment screw, either clockwise or counterclockwise, based on the specific requirements of your engine model. It's crucial to consult the engine manual for the correct adjustment specifications. After making the necessary adjustments, start the engine and observe if the stalling issue persists. Replacing the choke valve. Begin by disconnecting the carburetor from the engine and carefully disassembling it. Locate the choke valve and remove it from the carburetor assembly. Replace the old choke valve with a new, compatible one. Reassemble the carburetor and reconnect it to the engine. Start the engine and monitor its performance to ensure the issue has been resolved. By cleaning, adjusting, or replacing the choke valve as needed, you can effectively address engine stalling issues related to a closed choke valve, ensuring optimal engine performance. In the end, understanding the role of the closed choke valve in engine stalling, whether cold or as it warms up, is crucial in diagnosing and resolving related issues. By recognizing the impact of the closed choke valve on the air-fuel mixture, engine performance can be effectively managed. Regular inspection and maintenance of the choke valve can help prevent stalling problems, ensuring smooth and efficient engine operation. If you experience engine stalling issues, consider consulting a professional mechanic to address any underlying problems with the closed choke valve. Thank you for exploring our guide on how a closed choke valve can cause engine stalls. By understanding the role of the choke valve and its impact on engine performance, you're better equipped to prevent and address engine stall issues. Stay tuned for more insightful automotive maintenance tips and troubleshooting guides. Remember, ensuring the proper functioning of your choke valve is vital in preventing engine stalls and maintaining your engine's optimal performance. Keep your choke valve in check for a smooth and reliable driving experience. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.